Hello. Last week, I challenged a Forbes quote of the day by Dan Gilbert, founder of the rocket companies, who said, "The source of your best ideas, big and small, are the people who work with you or for you." And I said, I agree, provided you never leave your office. Yesterday, I went to a Kerry James Marshall exhibition and came face to face with this painting, The Invisible Man, which represents the situation for African Americans throughout US history who were invisible while simultaneously being visible. And I immediately thought of the invisible problem, which is the problem that you see every day in companies. It's the one that you whisper about at the coffee machine but don't bring to the meeting. It's the one that keeps you awake at night. And the problem with the invisible problem is it's felt, it is present, but it is never addressed. And this has impacts for you and your team. And it reminds me of a workshop I did recently with a team where for the first 15 minutes, people were charging their laptops, charging their phones, very active in displacement activities. And when we finally started, I said, the reason that I think you spent 50 minutes doing other things is because you were worried about getting started because you didn't know what was going to happen. And a comment illustrated this beautifully when I said to them, tell me what your expectations are for today. One individual said, I have no expectations. I think this will be a colossal waste of time because we've had this problem for a long time and I don't see that you can fix it. And it turned out that he was incorrect, because that's a beautiful thing with invisible problems. Once you make them visible, once you make them corporeal, you can start addressing them. And so there really is only my invitation to you to get started. So I'm going to leave you with one question for today. What is the one invisible problem that would change your life, for your company, for you, your team, if you started working on it today? Thanks for listening. And I look forward to your comments in the comment section.